And the Hermes journey continues. Or does it? Hey guys, it's your girl Liana. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Liana. I post new videos every single week. Go watch some older videos so we can get a little bit more familiar with each other. We can get better well acquainted. You're probably gonna end up loving it here, so smash that subscribe button right there. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back, my love. So as you can see by the title of today's video, I have another Hermes unboxing. I'm still on my Hermes journey, but before I even get into the unboxing, let's talk about it for a minute. Let's really talk about the Hermes journey for a minute. Don't get me wrong, while I love an Hermes Birkin or a Kelly just as much as the next woman, I'm starting to think, like, is the game genuinely worth it? And if you don't know what I'm referring to, you know, in order to get a Birkin or a Kelly, you can't walk into the store just to get a quota bag in general. You cannot walk into the store and say, hey, here's my money, please let me buy the bag. It doesn't work like that. They want you to pre-spend, buy into the brand, love the brand, learn the brand, eat the brand, breathe the brand. They want you to do all of that before you even get the privilege to buy a bag. While there are things at Hermes other than those two handbags that I just mentioned that I do love and I do like, I don't know if there's enough inventory that I really want to add to my collection that will be enough for me to be offered the bag. And again, I know someone's going to comment, or somebody might be thinking, well, it's not really about how much you spend, it's the relationship you have with your SA. Absolutely. I can absolutely agree that it's probably the relationship you have with your SA. But if you spend, let's say, $1,500, you can't expect to be offered a bag. You know what I mean? So that's what I'm trying to get at. I know you're probably like, just hurry up and show me the unboxing. But I really do want to talk about the Hermes journey for a minute, because mine might be coming to an end. I haven't 100% decided yet, but only because I did watch another creator on here. Her name is Dansta. I believe her name is either Danielle or Daniela. I'm sorry if I'm butchering the name because I really don't know which one it is. But her mom actually just got a Birkin bag from Fashion File. And it's in the color that she wants. It's in the leather that she wants. It's in the hardware that she wants. It's in the size that she wants. It's everything that she wanted from a Birkin bag. And she bought it secondhand from the Fashion File website. Whereas maybe she probably spent, let's say even if she spent double the price, that's still like she got exactly what she want. You know what I mean? Where as far as me, I'm playing the game. I think Danielle or Daniela, like I said, I don't know the correction of her name. It's Dansta. I'll have her page linked down below. But she's also playing the game. And here's where my problem is starting to lie. Just because you're playing the game doesn't mean that, let's just say the bag costs $10,000. Just because you're playing the game, you can spend $10,000 worth of pre-spend and still not even get the color that you want. Bonkers, I know. So that is where I'm trying to like decide if it's worth playing for me anymore personally, because I know exactly which one I want. Imagine me spending all this money and I'm not able to get, like, they don't offer me what I want. And if you're not going to offer me what I want, I might as well just take my money and my pre-spend, buy it pre-loved, and I can get exactly what I want. So it's up in the air if I'm going to continue or not. I don't know. Let's see where my wallet lies. Let's see where my pockets lie. Let's see if I enjoy the journey as much as the next for me to continue doing this. I'm not sure yet, but I really do love my SA. I actually just gave her some goodies for her dog on my last visit when I bought this little merchandise here. Okay, now that my blibber blabber is out of the way, let's get into this unboxing. I know that no one is going to guess what this is. Actually, please cast your votes down below. What do you think this is? It's in a pretty slender, narrow box, square, flat. Can you guess what this is inside? I obviously already unboxed this so many times in the house, but I wrapped it up for the sake of this video. I have my receipt here. While technically I think this is my third video showing my Hermes journey, this is month 4 for me shopping wise though, because I think I combined 2 months in the past video. I also have that link down below if you want to see the other things that I've bought before. If you haven't watched that last video, I did buy the Hermes ring. It's like the chain ring of their classic like chain logo. The ring was too big for my finger, so I did end up returning that. And if you also don't know, when you buy stuff in store, you only get a store credit, which is weird because if you purchase online and if whatever you buy doesn't work out for you, you can return it in store for full refund. So whatever. But I got a store credit and I did contact my associate before I came into the store. I'm like, did the ring come in yet? She was like, no, it doesn't. We don't have your size and we don't know when it's coming in. And I'm like, okay. Well, I kind of still was in the mood to spend money. So I'm like, you know what? I texted her, I said, I'm still going to come to the store. Whatever happens, happens. And something did happen. And I decided to get, it was between two items. I really was interested in a pair of Oran sandals. I wanted the orange sunburst color, which is a really bright orange, like brighter than the Hermes orange. It's like a neon orange, brighter than that bag, brighter than that bag, but it's a very bright orange. And I just thought it would be just so cute for summer, but summer is now over. So I'm like, you know, doesn't make sense to get a pair of Oran sandals. Around sandals, I can buy them whenever I want. I kind of wanted to get a larger ticket item on my list that I have because I already had a $600 credit towards it because of that return of the ring. I have a list on my phone of things that I do want to purchase from Hermes, and this was one of the more expensive items. It's not too expensive, but for what it is, it's kind of expensive. When I started this journey, I was expecting to like not really be able to be on a journey because what the hell is little old me gonna be purchasing from Hermes to even accumulate to the price of a Birkin? But I'm unboxing it now for you guys. I don't have one of these, and I found myself needing one a lot. It comes in a little pouch and a bigger pouch. Can you now guess what this probably is? Let's open the little pouch. This is what is inside the little pouch. Are you still contemplating what it is? You shouldn't be at this point. I feel like it's pretty obvious, right? And this is what's in the bigger pouch. So let me put it together. I got an Hermes belt, and it is reversible. I can wear it on either side, the brown, which they consider gold, and the black. I was a little conflicted because I didn't know which color hardware of the buckle that I should get. I either wanted it in gold or silver, only because, you know, gold is gold. But I do wear a lot of silver. I'm wearing silver right now. But I wear a majority of my jewelry silver. My everyday jewelry is silver. Like this stack that I keep on is silver. My necklace and my earrings, they're white gold, silver. So I decided, you know, it makes sense for me to get the silver one first. And what I do love about this, so now that I basically have bought this belt kit, what I can do is slide this off like I just did before when I put it on, and now I have just the brown belt or black belt. I can actually buy different buckles to put on this belt. So if there's a chance where I do want a gold buckled belt, I could literally just go to Hermes and buy a new gold buckle. This one, they had so many different styles to choose from, but this is just the one that I went with. But I can just buy a new gold buckle, and now I have a new belt, essentially. So I really did love that aspect. The outfit that I have on is not really the best to show you guys because I have on a dress right now, but I'm gonna do what I can do. Just imagine this with some jeans on. This is so cute. Now I literally just have a new belt. So let me just give you the gist of exactly everything that I did purchase. So basically this is a 24 leather belt in Swift and Epsom leather. There are two different leathers on the belt, and I got it in the noir and the gold, basically, which means the black and the brown. The belt itself is $465, and this is the Gamma 24 woman's buckle, and this is $335. So basically, like I said, for the entire belt kit it was $800, but you can purchase the buckle and the belt separate. They have so many different colors of the belt strap to choose from, but I knew because this was my first belt I wanted to go classic. But there was a green one. It was like the Bottega green. It was so gorgeous. So I'm actually really happy with this purchase. And I still have 9 items on my wish list, which I still don't think will add up to the price of a pre-spend for a Birkin or a Kelly. I'm not sure yet, but again, it's probably just the relationship that I'm going to build with her. So maybe she'll end up offering it to me. I have no idea. I really don't know. I'm just going with the flow at this point. And my goal is to at least be offered a bag. Before, I wanted to be offered a bag by my birthday, which is December. That's not going to happen. I don't see it happening. It's not going to happen. And then I said to myself, well, maybe for Valentine's Day next February. I also don't see that happening because it's just not going to happen. So I'm going to say at least a year into the journey. So a year will be around, let's say a year is going to be around June, July. That's going to be the official year. And if not by the year, at least for next year, my birthday, at least. it should be offered one by then. I would like to know you guys' opinion on the Hermes game just in general. Do you think it's worth it? Should I just buy pre-loved or continue playing the game? Is there really a wish list of things and a plethora of things that I can spend my money on in at Hermes? I don't know, but I just would love to have this conversation with you guys down in the comments below. If you have enjoyed today's video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, if you're not tired of seeing my face, I'll leave a link to another video here on the screen, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.